marami po tayong mga kababayan, lalo na ordinary nating mamayan, na ang tingin nila dito sa administrasyon ay pinipila lang po yung kanilang kalaban at kinakasuhan. Kayo po ay tumatakbo under the Liberal Party at kung sakali pong manalo po ang inyong kandidato, tingin niyo po ay magkakaroon ba ho kayo ng tapang na kung sakali ring ipagpapatuloy ho nila itong selective justice sa bagong administrasyon?
Mariin ko pong dinideny yung sinasabi nilang selective justice. Nandyan po yung mga recorded cases. We have filed cases against certain administration officials and hindi naman ho natin kasalanan na yung mga pinakamalalaking mga tiwaling mga opisyal na na-indict po natin sa PDAF scam ay yung mga nasa oposisyon. Wala po ho yan sa naging consciousness ng aming mga investigador. Sinunod lang ho namin yung mga ebidensya. At yung mga final nga po ng NBI and DOJ, nasa korte na. Sumang-ayon ang ombudsman, nasa Sandigan Bayan na, let those cases take its regular course. No, pero yung sinasabing selective justice, hindi po yan. Wala pong ganyan nung kami ay tinatrabaho namin yung mga nadiskubre namin dun sa Napoles PDAF Syndicate.
Fantastic. Okay. Let's first welcome former Senator Richard Gordon. He's arrived in between. You came in on the hot seat. So you kind of see, and what happens in this one is the person who's in the hot seat makes a statement. They've got 2 minutes. Then a rebuttal, one rebuttal again, 1:30, and then a second rebuttal, and they get to close. Coming up now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, we're having a Red Cross convention right now. Let me just point out that...
Senator Gordon, I'm sorry. Can we do your introduction later? We'll just continue with the hot seat.
Yes, I'm
that
making
okay?
a comment.
All right, okay.
So, will you bring back my minutes?
Sir, you were late then.
All right, okay.
Sorry. But we'll see what we can
The
get.
issue
right,
is peace
from
and
this.
order, and the issue is Duterte is saying he can clean up crime within 3 months or 6 months. I agree. Kung gusto mo,
So I'm going to